In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort by color in Google Sheets. First, open your browser and go to Google. At the top right of the Google homepage, click the grid-shaped Google Apps icon to open the app launcher, then choose Sheets. This takes you straight to Google Sheets where you can access your spreadsheets. Once you're there, open the document that contains the data you want to organize. Before we sort anything, highlight the exact block of data you want to work with. Click and drag to select the range, and include your header row if you have one. This tells Sheets where the sorting should apply and helps keep anything outside that range unchanged. Make sure the cells you care about actually have a fill color applied. Sorting by color looks at the cell background color, not the values inside. Now go to the menu bar at the top and click Data. From the drop-down, choose Create Filter View. A filter view adds small funnel icons to your headers and gives you a dedicated view for filtering and sorting without permanently changing the order for everyone else. It's perfect for focusing on color-coded information while preserving the underlying data. Find the column that contains the colors you want to organize by and click the little filter icon in that column's header. A menu will appear with several options. Move your mouse over Sort by Color and then hover over Fill Color. You'll see a list of the actual colors present in that column. Click the color you want to prioritize. As soon as you select it, Sheets will bring all rows with that fill color to the top of your selected range within the filter view, keeping the rest of the rows below. This is particularly helpful for workflows like status tracking, where, for example, green might mean complete, yellow in progress, and red needs attention. If your setup uses font colors instead, note that there's also a text color option in the same menu, but for now we're focusing on fill color. A couple of quick tips as you review the results. Sorting by color groups one color at a time, so pick the color you need to see first. The operation doesn't change any cell values. It only affects the order you're viewing in this filter view. If a row doesn't move as expected, double-check that the fill is truly the color you're targeting and that your selection included that row. That's it. You've highlighted your data, created a filter view, opened the column filter, hovered to sort by color and fill color, and chosen the color to sort by. Your color-coded data is now neatly organized,